Welcome to Supplement Guru, where science meets swagger, and your kitchen turns into a biochemical war room for peak human performance. This isn't your mainstream, watered-down health advice. This is your new favorite series, Health Hacks. We're systematically dismantling mediocrity by unlocking the power hidden in your pantry. We're talking about everyday ingredients that can boost performance, sharpen your cognitive edge, and make your cells high-five each other with the force of a thunderclap. We're here to turn your body into a finely tuned machine, not a storage unit for inflammation and regret. Forget the fluff. Forget the fads. We deal in biochemical reality and tangible results. Let's get straight to the work. Forget that cinnamon challenge nonsense. That was for amateurs. Here's the real deal for operators. Cinnamon isn't just for snickerdoodles and pumpkin spice fanatics. Used correctly, it's a metabolic ninja. Just half a teaspoon, about 1 to 2 grams, daily can slash fasting blood glucose and boost insulin sensitivity, like you've been fasting in the Himalayas for a month. Cinnamaldehyde, the primary active compound, is the MVP here. It improves glucose uptake by your cells by enhancing the function of GLUT4 transporters, the gatekeepers that move sugar out of your bloodstream. It also enhances insulin receptor function and may even inhibit enzymes that block insulin signaling. Translation: it helps your cells listen with respect when insulin knocks on the door. Less insulin resistance means less sugar is converted to body fat, and more is partitioned into muscle. But there's a critical distinction. You need Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. The common Cassia cinnamon you find in most bulk bins contains high levels of coumarin, a compound that is toxic to the liver in high doses. Don't trade metabolic health for a damaged liver. Ceylon is lighter in color, more fragrant, and more expensive for a reason. So is dialysis. Choose wisely. Beyond blood sugar, cinnamon is a potent antimicrobial, antifungal, and boasts one of the highest antioxidant ORAC scores of any spice, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. Add it to your coffee, your protein shake, or sprinkle it on Greek yogurt. This is your Cinnamon PSA, brought to you by the Supplement Guru. Because smart carbs don't store fat, they get burned for fuel. We don't just give you recipes, we weaponize your pantry. This series is just the warm-up lap. We've laid the foundation with single-ingredient powerhouses. Next up, we get into the dark arts of stacking these hacks together for synergistic effects that create a state of high performance you didn't know was possible. We're talking about building protocols that turn your biology into an unfair advantage. Subscribe, activate notifications, and prepare to execute. Because your cells don't have time to unsubscribe from greatness, and neither do you.